Awesome. All right. Well, hey, there's an unboxing video for the Atech. This is the Crater A550. Just going to give you a little overview of what to do when you get this machine. Pull it out of the box, show it up at your place, and let's get it ready to get it installed. So, one of the first things we want you to do is open up the hood, and there's some shipping protection on all this steel, and when you want to clean it up. So let's first, throw some Goo Gone on there, some simple green, let it sit for a little bit, let it work, and then clean it up. And you can see we did half of it here. It's nice and shiny. The other half needs to be done. And then we will be ready to walk around and talk about electrical. Oh yeah, you just want to clean it like a little Scotch Brite works good. You can see it kind of makes a mess, so have some rags handy, but keeps it safe in shipping, so we don't build up any rust. You can see how easy that comes off. We had some Goo Gone sitting on it for a little while, so it makes it really easy. But you want to get this cleaned off before you start throwing parts on it. Okay, so next, now that the machine is clean, looks good, you're going to need to get some electrical power hooked up. You purchase the machine, most likely 480 volts, three phase, but there are some other options. So whichever way you purchase the machine, um, your electrician is going to need to get the nameplate, which is on the back side, which has all the information for your electrician to hook up this saw properly to three phase power. That's a question we get a lot. So just take a look on the back, and all your requirements and specifications are right there on that tag. So the other thing that's located on this backside here is where you're going to hook up your air pressure, your compressed air. So it needs 6 to 8 bar of pressure for the machine. Clean, dry air is really important. And you can see how much pressure you have here on the regulator after you get the air hoses hooked up. So the other thing that's really important is cutting fluid when you're cutting aluminum. We recommend a fluid that we send with a packet to you guys. A lot of people, I get a lot of questions. Hey, where do I put the fluid? It actually goes right in this container here. You can pull this out, pull the top, fill this up with the fluid, and you are good to go. If your electrician needs any more schematics, there is a wiring diagram here for the motor that's just inside this door. So the fluid for the Atech saw is a special formulation we formulated here at Scarlett. Works really well for these pump systems. You can get it in the link below, or to the side, or up, or wherever he's going to put it, or in the video link. A link right to our web store where you can purchase that. The other thing you need to do when you get this thing out of the box is you got to level it. So we have a really nice Starrett machine level here. If you have a machine level, please use it. But a standard 6 foot level would do. So we put the level here on this machine base centerpiece there, and where we level it is back here on the feet. There's 2 adjustment feet on the back, and we can set that for level. If you come right around back here, here's our leveling feet here, and again on the same thing on the other side. And last but not least, a little information here. This is where you're going to attach your table. This is a great plate to attach your table, which is at the same level here as the saw. So here's where you're going to attach your table. If you have a Tiger Stop or any measurement device, you could attach it to either side. Both sides come equipped with a saw or table attachment plate. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy your new Atech saw. If you have any questions, call us at the number below.